Look, a lot of times it's the toxic habits that you're deploying daily that's destroying your energy levels. If you want to be or feel more motivated, more energetic, more confident, these are the habits you want to get rid of. Number one, being around negative people. These are the type of friends that bring you down. These are the type of friends that bring your motivation down. Whenever you try to level up or better yourself or fix something about yourself, they'll always tell you, yo, stop going to work out. Stop working on that. Yo, come over here, let's play some video games. Yo, come over here, let's go party, bro. These are the friends that will remove you from whatever path you're taking to better yourself, to bring you back down to their level because, well, this is what's comfortable. This type of person, get rid of it. Number two, an unhealthy gut. Something people probably never think about. Too many times, your gut, you overlook it, especially when it comes to your personal health. But you need to understand, an inflamed gut will prevent some of the nutrients to be absorbed from your body that it'll need from the food that you're consuming to produce some of that energy, to feel more energetic. That's where a high-quality probiotic can help repair your gut. And notice I said a quality probiotic. See, this is where our sponsor Seed comes in. Most of you probably don't know this, but a probiotic is a living organism. That's what you're consuming. It's basically healthy bacteria. What ends up happening, though, that most of the products that you're consuming or have consumed in the past that are probiotics, whether they're yogurts or consumables, most of those probiotics aren't designed in a way for them to survive your digestive tract, which means by the time they get to your gut, you're getting no benefit to them whatsoever. Seed is the only company in the world that has a probiotic that has been designed to actually survive your digestive tract. So when it actually does get to your gut, you're getting the benefits that should come from a high quality probiotic. See, most companies are profit first, right? Like most supplement companies, all they care about the dollar. With Seed, all they cared about is research. So they were all research first. Let's deliver a product that works, that's unlike anything else. And now let's make it simple. See, they also have a subscription model, which makes it easy, right? Because with the probiotic, it's something you have to be taking daily, and it's a routine that you shouldn't stop. So with Seed, they deliver your probiotic whenever you need it, right when you need it, so you're never stopping, and you have that healthy habit that you can continually be doing, so you can have that healthy gut, and you can have peak energy levels. If you guys want to add Seed, it's simple. Click the link down below or go to seed.com/TMF. They hooked it up. They're giving you 15% off your first month's daily symbiotic. That way you can try it off at a discount, see how it works for you, and see how much better you're going to feel by adding this healthy habit into your daily routine. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number three, you're not exercising. See, the way it works is that the more you work out, the better and more efficient your heart becomes at pumping blood through your body. This is where stamina comes in, right? This is why people that work out a lot, especially add cardio into their routines, they have great stamina and their energy levels are always high because their heart is more efficient at pumping blood. That means that the heart doesn't have to use as much energy to function as a regular human. This is why adding exercise into your daily routine, even if it's a simple walk, even if you're going out just for a walk or a bike ride or you're playing a sport, it doesn't matter what it is, just be active so you can give your heart that exercise that it needs. Number four, you have an unhealthy relationship with sleep. You want to know how I know your relationship is unhealthy? It's a simple test. If you don't get tired at the same time every night and cannot wake up at the same time every morning, your relationship is unhealthy. See, the idea of an alarm clock is unnecessary. Our bodies have an internal alarm clock that when you go to sleep every night at the same time and wake up at the same time, it won't even be 2-3 weeks until your body starts getting accustomed. Your internal clock starts to get set, and then naturally you'll always go to sleep and wake up at the same time because your body already knows. But if your sleeping pattern is all over the place, that's that unhealthy relationship that you probably have that's destroying your energy levels. Number five, you're always checking social media. See, our phone, it's literally an extension of our arm at this point. But what a lot of us do is that we use it as a procrastination crutch. In other words, you're working, you're getting your job done, you're getting your homework done, whatever it is, but every 2-3 minutes you have to stop, pick up your phone, go on TikTok. Then you waste an hour, you put it down, then you go back to work, pick it up again, and you're just consistently procrastinating. See, what ends up happening is that procrastination, it leads to a lack of motivation. When you see you're not getting the job done, you feel like you're not efficient or you're not motivated enough, and that brings down your energy levels. Ultimately, rolls us on to number 6, taking things personally. See, people are going to say messed up things all day long. You need to understand that some people, or I would say most, aren't genuinely out to try to hurt you or to try to say something to bring you down. When stuff like that does happen, bro, don't even take it personal. You have no idea what type of hell they're living through, what type of problems they're going through at home. So anytime somebody throws something at you that you don't feel right about, just don't take it personal. You brush your shoulder off and you keep it moving. That way you keep your energy levels on high versus giving them all that energy. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 toxic habits that are destroying your energy levels. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Seed. They're going to be linked down below as well. Peace.